We all see in life that many people hate someone. Hatred will impact you first, often like a shadow that creeps into the corners of your mind, whispering doubts and fears. It festers within, turning your thoughts into a battleground where anger reigns supreme. The heart, once open and vibrant, becomes a fortress, fortified against the world. You may find joy slipping through your fingers, replaced by a bitterness that clouds your vision. Relationships strain under the weight of unspoken resentment, and laughter fades into distant echoes. As you nurture this hatred, you may feel a fleeting sense of power, but it is a mirage, leaving you isolated and empty. The irony is that in seeking to shield yourself, you become your own captor. It constricts your spirit and stifles your growth, blinding you to the beauty of compassion and understanding. Ultimately, hatred is a thief, robbing you of peace and joy long before it ever reaches those it targets. I hope this information was helpful. It all begins with you. Thank you very much for watching.